Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your shorts in 4K using CapCut Mobile. So if you want your YouTube shorts or TikToks to look crystal clear in 4K quality, here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can edit your shorts in CapCut and export them in full 4K, no blur, no loss of quality. So stick around and I'll teach you how you can set up your project, add effects, and export perfectly in 4K for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Here you can just open CapCut and then tap on new projects. Import your video clips. Okay, so once the video is edited, you can adjust the canvas to 9:16 or the YouTube short format. So you can go to aspect ratio and click on 9:16, then hit on your clip and find the crop options, or you can also just zoom in like this and adjust the position like that. And then here you can edit your videos. You can trim, cut, and arrange clips, and you can add a text overlay by clicking on this add text button. In here you can use the text template for CapCut or just add your own. Okay, for example, I'm going to just use the text template in here. Okay, let's add this one for example, and then you can also add effects or use effect to enhance or to boost clarity. And if you want to add background music or sound effect, you can click on add audio button in here and choose sound effects or sounds to add background music. And to make it look cinematic, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation. So you can go to adjustment in here and adjust the brightness and adjust also the contrast to how you prefer it. You can also use color grading LUTs inside CapCut if you want to. And now if you want to export in 4K in here, you need to adjust the resolution first. For us, you guys can see at the top in here you need to choose 4K, but to be able to export in 4K you need to upgrade your CapCut into Pro first and adjust the frame rate into 60 fps and the bit rate into high. And after that you can just click on export here. Then you can just open YouTube and upload your short and ensure the title or description includes 4K and add tags for reach. And that's it. You just learned how to edit and export 4K shorts in CapCut. If this tutorial helped, smash that like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.